Hi, thanks for joining me for our speed sound lesson on the sound R. R, start the car. R, start the car. R, 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 R. R, R, R. Well done. Start the car. R. Ready? R. Start the car. Start the car. R. R. Start the car. R. Start the car. R. 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 Now we're going to do our super sound spotting, and I'm going to add R, start the car, to our sounds that we've been learning. And I want to see if you can do some super sound spotting and see if you can find it. Are you ready? Ready? Yesterday's sound. Look at a book. Ng. W. Y. Ooh. Sh. O. Blow the snow. O. Z. Nk. I think, I stink. Nk. I fly high. Did you spot it? I heard you shout. R. Start the car. Super sound spotting. Are you ready? Let's have another go. Ready? E. What can you see? E. X. Ch. Well done. A. May I play? My favourite. Ooh. Poo at the zoo. Ah. Start the car. Well done. P. P. Art. Part. St. Art. Start. St. R. Star. K. R. Car. Hard. Hard. Sharp. Sharp. Are you ready? Ready? car. Star. Start. Part. Sharp. Hard. Really well done. Now I've mixed in some other words. So we've got a few words with the sound from yesterday, the start the car sound from today, and a few others. So your turn. Show me what you can do. Are you ready? Sharp. Sharp. Cook. That was our sound yesterday, wasn't it? Hard. Hard. Start the car. Foot. See. Part. Look. Wink. Best. Light. Snow. Took. Start. Doing really well. Moon. Stink. Book. Huff. Huff. star. A, say. K, shook. Est, test. S, mess. Last one. Car. Really well done. Now we're going to do our speed writing. Try and do it from your memory rather than copying. And the first word we're going to do is the word car. Car. 2 sounds, 3 letters. There are special friends today. Have a go. Press pause if you need to. I will wait. Our next sound or word is part. 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 Pirate. Special friends. Tower. Part. Have a go. 3 sounds, 4 letters. I'll wait. And once again, press pause if you need to. And last but not least, we're going to write the word sharp. Lots of special friends in there. So we've got sh, special friends, sh, special friends, sh, p, sh, p. 3 sounds, 5 letters to write. Sh, p, sharp, pirate. I will wait. Keep going, you're doing so well. Press pause. Are you ready to start writing? Got your pen? I'm going to start with the word car. K. 2 sounds, 3 letters. So, caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. That's our sound from today, isn't it? So we need to do round the apple, down the leaf. In the minute that says ka. But because we're going to put the R there. So, are we ready? Down his back, then curl over his arm. K. Special friends. K. Car. K. Car. Well done. Now our next word we're writing is part. Part. 3 sounds, 4 letters. Pirate. So, down his plait, around the pirate's face. That's our special friends for today. So remember, it's ah. All round the apple, down the leaf, and down his back, then curl over his arm. P, ah, t, t, part, t, tower. So down the tower, across the tower. P, ah, t, part. P, ah, t, part. Well done. And our last word we wrote in the R sounds was the word sharp. So we've got some more special friends there. Sh, R, P. 3 sounds, 5 letters. So let's start with our sh sound. Shh. So we'll slither down the snake, down the head to the hooves, and over his back. Shh. Then we need the next lot of special friends. Ah, that's our sounds from today. Shh, ah. So round the apple, down the leaf, down his back, then curl over his arm. Shh, ah. P, p, p. Pirate again. So down his plait and round his face. Shh, ah, p. Sharp. Sh, ah, p. Sharp. Well done if you managed to do that. We're going to do 2 more words, which we're going to review from the sounds we did last week. We're going to do the word moon. I want you to write it. M-oo-n. Moon. 3 sounds, 4 letters. M, oo, poo at the zoo. Mountain. Ooh, poo at the zoo, special friends. Net. Moon. Off you go. I will wait. Press pause. And the second word we're going to write, and the last one, is the word light. Light. All I t. All I t. Light. 3 sounds, 5 letters. All leg. I, special friends, fly high. T, t, tower. All I t. Off you go. Have a go. That's a bit tricky, but have a go. And once again, I'll wait. So are you ready to go through them? Moon. Remember Maisie, don't forget, don't just draw your mountains, need Maisie as well. Are you ready? Down Maisie, back up, over the mountain, and over the mountain. Ooh, oon, ooh, poo at the zoo. So remember, go in the direction of a curly K, all around the orange, all around the orange. Ooh, moon, Nobby and his net. So down Nobby, back up and over his net. Ooh, moon. Ooh, moon. And the last one we're going to go through is light. Light. Are you ready? Leg. So down the long leg. Can you remember how to make the I sound? I fly high. 3 letters making 1 sound. We've got to do an I insect, so down his body, and a dot for his head. A girl, so round her face, down her hair, give her a curl. And we've got 1 more letter. You're right. Goes I, doesn't it? It makes the I sound. So are we ready? Down the head to the hooves and over his back. All I tower. Down the tower, across the tower. All I light. Let's check. All I light. Really well done. Joining me today. I really think you've worked so hard. So really, really well done. Big pat on the back. See you later.